Do you struggle to think outside the box? Do you find creativity challenging? Well, you're not alone. Today, we'll explore Synectics, a powerful tool designed to enhance creative thinking. Synectics helps us combine unrelated ideas to produce innovative solutions. Developed by William J. Gordon and George Prince, this method encourages new ways of thinking. The process involves using metaphors, analogies, and structured problem solving. Let's break it down into clear steps. First, we start by defining a problem. This could be anything from designing a community garden to creating eco-friendly packaging. A well-defined problem is crucial. Next, we gather stimuli. These can be diverse materials, images, or sounds that provoke new associations. The more varied, the better. Then, we dive into analogy and metaphor. Ask, how is this like that? This helps frame the problem in a new light. For instance, this system is like an ecosystem. Such comparisons can spark unique insights. Now, we enter the idea generation phase. This is where brainstorming comes in. Here, quantity beats quality. Use techniques like role reversal and forced connections. The goal is to unleash as many ideas as possible. After generating ideas, it's time for incubation. Let the ideas simmer. Encourage quiet reflection or individual sketching. This step is crucial for deeper connections to form. Next, we evaluate and select the best ideas. Use criteria like feasibility and originality. This convergent phase narrows down the vast pool of ideas to the most promising ones. Now, let's prototype and test. Create simple models or trial versions of your ideas. Gather feedback and refine your solutions based on real-world applications. Finally, we debrief and reflect. Discuss what worked well and how analogies aided your understanding. This is an opportunity for growth and future adaptation. To assess progress, focus on both the process and the final product. Evaluate how well students engaged and the quality of their ideas. Encourage reflective practices to deepen understanding. For diverse learners, adapt your approach. For hesitant students, start small. For neurodiverse learners, provide clear structure and alternative expression methods. And for multilingual learners, encourage using their home language initially. While Synectics has many benefits, like fostering collaboration and original thought, it has limitations too. It can feel chaotic without proper facilitation. Let's illustrate this with a classroom example. Imagine a challenge: how to redesign packaging to reduce plastic waste. Present varied stimuli like natural forms and unconventional materials. Have students create personal analogies, such as saying, "Our packaging should be as flexible as a sponge." Through rapid sketching and brainstorming, they'll generate concepts. Finally, students prototype using recycled materials and test their designs. This hands-on experience maximizes learning. In summary, Synectics helps unlock creativity by combining dissimilar ideas. It promotes original thinking, collaboration, and deeper engagement. Are you ready to apply Synectics in your own problem solving? Start experimenting with these steps today. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative strategies.